Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. We have an elevated fire weather area today covering a part of the Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, and south central Kansas for the elevated fire risk today. And if areas over here across southeastern Washington State, parts of Oregon, and west central Idaho, this area has the highest potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. Alright, this area has the potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any form of precipitation. You see, the air is so dry that the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. So you're just left with thunder and lightning. And if lightning hits the ground, it can cause a fire, and the fire can spread quickly. Alright? So that's the whole concept of a dry thunderstorm. So this, just be aware of that today. So, in synopsis, a prominent upper ridge over the central U.S. is forecast to continue building rapidly with weak upper-level troughing remaining over the northwestern U.S. Scattered showers and thunderstorms remain likely on the periphery of the ridge near the upper trough and a belt of monsoon moisture. Under the ridge, excessively hot temperatures are again likely over the plains in central U.S., supporting low afternoon humidity, breezy winds, and an elevated fire risk. Alright, so, yeah. Northwest. Along the northern periphery of the expanding upper ridge, weak upper troughing and monsoon moisture will support another day of showers and thunderstorms. Scattered thunderstorms should develop over the higher terrain of central Oregon and the Washington Cascades before spreading northeastward through the day. Despite several prior days of rainfall, some fields remain receptive. Near the upper trough, fast-moving thunderstorms, 25 to 30 miles per hour forward motions, are expected to ensure limit rainfall, supporting some drier storms. To the east, over the portion of eastern Oregon and Idaho, a mix of wet and dry storms is expected with slower storm speeds. Fields are also not as receptive within a broader swath of observed wetting rain. However, greater storm coverage should favor increased lightning potential. Some drier strikes are possible outside the heavier precip cores, supporting the risk for lightning ignitions in the remaining dry fuels. Southern Plains. Another day of very hot, dry, and breezy conditions is expected south of a weak frontal boundary over portions of northwest Texas and Texas Panhandle this afternoon. As the upper ridge continues to build, flow will be weaker with south winds of around 50 miles per hour. However, afternoon highs in the hundreds Fahrenheit and relative humidity falling to as low as 15% will overlap with very dry fuels and recent notable fire activity. A few hours of elevated fire weather conditions are possible across parts of the Texas Panhandle, northwest Oklahoma, into far southern Kansas. That's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Alright? Because it will take you one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe and can result in major fines. And 2, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. And I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.